Here at Central Rock, it's the perfect place because it's such an adult playground. All of the maker spaces and labs are really spectacular.
There's so many different kind of workshops that you can learn from.
We use the Fab Lab, the Wood Lab, the Metal Lab.
The lab where I am the most is Ceramic Lab, of course. I'm there every day intensely for the last month.
Great equipment, never seen something like that.
We can learn lots of things in the workshop.
I just wanted to get my hands dirty.
I'm here at the Centre Rog to work on a collaborative weaving project.
We have lots of ideas, actually more than I expected.
Oblikujemo nekaj, kar bi povezovalo ljudi.
Vsak pove svoje izkušnje in se veliko naučim.
The process doesn't start with the working on the workshops at the labs. The process starts from understanding the concept and understanding the context.
Which is very exciting actually.
The ambience in Rog Center is very fun.
It's definitely collaborative.
It's very fast-paced.
Wonderful experience.
A moment of free creativity.
I wish you could adopt me and I can stay here forever.
It was great to get to know all these amazing people at Centre Rock.